In a medical malpractice or accident case here in New York, do you have to show up for your pretrial question and answer session known as a deposition? You want to know the answer? Come join me for a moment as I share with you some great information. Hi, I'm Gerry Oginski. I'm a New York medical malpractice and personal injury attorney. The answer is yes, you do. So now you brought a lawsuit because you believe that someone was careless, causing you significant harm and injury. Well, guess what? During the course of your lawsuit, the defense has an opportunity to ask you questions. And they do that in your lawyer's office, in his conference room. Now, there's no judge present, there's no jury present, but there is a court reporter there to record all of the questions and all of the answers that you give. It is sworn testimony and carries the same exact weight as if you are testifying at the time of trial. So now, what happens if you don't show up? If you don't show up, the defense is going to ask the judge to throw your case out. Why? Because that means they will not have had an opportunity to question you and to lock you into your testimony about what happened, what occurred to you, what problems you have now, and what problems you're likely to have into the future. And if the defense does not have an opportunity to ask you all of those questions, guess what? Now they are at a significant disadvantage. The reality is that when you bring a lawsuit claiming that someone was careless, causing you significant harm and injury, the people you have sued by their attorneys, they have an opportunity, a legal opportunity, to go ahead and ask you lots of questions during this pretrial question and answer session known as a deposition. We call it also an examination before trial. And if you choose not to show up, in all likelihood, the judge is going to throw your case out because you didn't give the defense a chance to learn exactly what the problem was, to find out from you in your own words what happened, to find out what problems you have now. And because of that, they're going to be at a significant disadvantage and they will not be able to fully and appropriately defend the case. So why do I share this quick information with you? I share it with you because this comes up from time to time where the injured patient or injured victim turns around and says, hey, do I have to go through the deposition process in order to bring a lawsuit? And the answer is, here in New York, yes you do. You know, I realize you likely have questions or concerns about your own matter. Well, if your matter did in fact happen here in New York and you have not yet started a lawsuit and still have questions, what I invite you to do is pick up the phone and call me. You know, I answer questions like yours every single day and I'd love to chat with you. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at Gerry, Gerry, at Oginski-law.com. That's it for today's video. I'm Gerry Oginski. Have a wonderful day.